That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, and that's what she is ashamed of you. Damn, look at what you become. Matter of fact, what you've been. I was just lying. I was just so in it. I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it. I learned what love is once time. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. But you're doing too much and you can take it. When I know you, when you're trying to hold on to my attention. Won't you let it go?
in a little bit from this, probably an hour or so. Tomorrow will be my work anniversary and I'm trying to find the perfect outfit to wear. So help me decide between these two outfits. They are both from Fashion Nova. And it is this pants. I like this pants because It is super high-waisted. I had to get it tailored because I bought it in 1X, but it is this set. This is the jacket, and I just decided I'll probably wear it with this pink shirt. So whichever of the two outfits that I have, whichever one I don't wear tomorrow, I'll probably just wear it one day for work next week, because I'm also gonna be looking for my outfits for the week. I'll probably look for the outfits for the month. But tell me which one you like best, or which one is better. Oh my god, this just looks so good to me. I think the pink is such a good contrast for the burgundy. But let me know, because the other one look really good as well. So drop it in the comments. I don't know, I wear this with these black heels. I think you're not seeing well. I wear it with these black heels that I got from Primark. So cute, oh my god. Next outfit, I can wear with these shoes. So this one looks like the one that I want to wear. I don't want to be biased about it, so I want you guys to tell me what you think. Should I wear this one or the other one?